Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change email signature in Pipedrive. All right. First up, you're going to want to go to deals. Now go ahead and select a deal. For example, Mr. Tony Turner right here. All right. So I'm just going to click on email. And here, as you can see, we have the select a signature option. Just click on it. And as you can see here, it says no signature added because I haven't added one. So I'm going to click on manage email signatures right here, and it will land us to this page. So what we're going to do is just click on add a signature. Maybe I'm just going to name it signature. I'm just going to add in maybe a pipeline like that, contact like that, address, and others. All right. I'm just going to hit on save, and I'm going to go back to the deal. Turner, email, signature, select. Right here, as you can see, you now have the signature option as we have created one earlier. I'm just going to click on it, and there we have it. If you want to change it, just go and click on again this icon and click on manage email signatures, and then add a new one right here, add signature, new signature. And if you want to, you can go ahead and click on the three dots and add in some photo. For example, I'm going to add in this logo like that. Wait for it to process. All right. So you can go ahead and edit the size like that. Company Pipedrive. All right. Hit on save. Down here, go back to the deals. Tony Turner, click on email, select the new signature, and there you have it. All right. So for example, I'm going to add in the template right here. Thank you template. And it's going to look like this. If you don't know how to add a template, and as you can see here, we have a hyperlink, go ahead and check it out on the channel. And the name of the video is how to create templates in Pipedrive. All right. That's basically how to do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.